report now. I'm not sure. This is the first time I did the R counter. I did counter a lot of hours. I'm not sure, but I will just try to do the honors. Okay. Toastmaster Ian used one show. Toastmaster Anita, in her presidential address, used three and three so, one well, and one I think. In her prepared speech, she used just one So that's very well. And Toastmaster of the day, Shobha, I will come to her at the end. And the next speaker, okay, Saida, she spoke, she used two so and three all right, the word master of the day. And in her grammarian report, when she provided, she used four and. Okay, and next one is Siji. She used one long pass, which I found it little odd. Otherwise, it was I wasn't able to find any other filler words in that. The same goes for Chetna. I couldn't find much of filler words. And coming to Sweta, she used one but, one so, and one are. The last one I covered for Anita. She used just one in the prepared speech. So coming to the table topics. Actually, when table topics begins, I was kind of little tensed. So I couldn't really counter the filler words for Jisha. I was just rehearsing when she was doing the speech. So sorry, Jisha, I couldn't do it for you. And next, Naseem, I found usage of 3 and 4 and. And our Toastmaster Cavalier Ayush, he used 3 like, but he got cut off. So I couldn't get it completely. And Sweta, in her table topics, she used 3 R's. And for Rajalakshmi, I couldn't find much. And Ian was perfect. I couldn't find much in Ian. And coming to evaluators, Naseem, I found 3 and 2 usage, and 1 so, I guess. And for Prasad, 2 like, 2 then, and 4 and. And for Ram, it was 1 so, 1 mean, 3 and 10 okays. I think that's all I have. So overall, it is good. Don't take this report risibly. Take it very seriously and work on the improvements. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Toastmaster Prabhu. Would you like to try something like, hello? Are you game for it, Toastmaster Prabhu? Is it possible? Just try breathing and swallowing something at the same time. It's not possible. It's not possible for anyone. Okay.
That's all right. Okay.
Okay, great. And there's one more. I think I'm coming to the end of my session also. There's so many other facts while I started preparing for this one. There's some of them which I really found interesting was, that spider webs were used as bandages in ancient times. I don't know how many of you really know this. That is because they're supposed to be rich in vitamin K. So it helps to promote clotting. And so imagine if you don't have any bandage at your home, you know where to go for. And the sunglasses were originally designed for Chinese judges to hide their facial expression while they're in the court. But now it's a fashion statement. Also, we use it when we go out in the sun. And do you know that you all have heard about a rainbow? Have you heard a moonbow? That happens. Yeah, we also have a moonbow. That is when the light is reflected or it is caused because of the light reflected from the moon. And this normally happens when there are heavy rainfalls at the night and if there is a full moon day. And like this, I think there are many more facts which I would like to, that babies blink only twice in a minute, but we adults almost blink 10 times in a minute. Now the list will just go on, and there's one particular place in the world, and the place name is the longest one because it has 85 alphabets in it. So I'll put that one in the chat group. Very difficult to pronounce the one. It starts from T and ends in U or something. So, and if I start spelling it out, I think the meeting will get over. So before that, I think it's time for me to wind up. I had a lot of fun doing this session. I hope you also had. Okay, I'm going to hand it over to the president of the club, Toastmaster Anita, because she is now. Yeah, okay, G, sorry. The general evaluator is ready with her report. It's a report card, I should say. Okay. Let us see how many interesting things that she is going to share with us. Can we have a big round of applause for Toastmaster Rajalakshmi?
Yeah, thank you, Toastmaster Shobha, Toastmaster of the Day, and congratulations to Toastmaster of the Day, Toastmaster Shobha, and all the new staff members and all the guests and everyone who has presented here for completing our 39th meeting in a reciprocal way. It was an interesting session. Altogether, it's an interesting session, and we started the meeting at sharp 7:30 by our ever vibrant Toastmaster Ian as Sergeant at Arms, and he conveyed the theme. He represented as a Sergeant at Arms with a theme which shows how dancing helps to reverse the sign of aging. It was a really fun-filled session. Thank you, Toastmaster Ian, for the same. Next was the president's speech and this president's session, and along with introducing the Toastmasters pathways, and our president always make sure that she introduces something new in each and every session. So this time she has added related to the distinguished Toastmaster. What are the criteria to be cleared to get the distinguished Toastmaster title, and that was something new for us. And always she made sure that there is some sort of novelty in her presidential speech. Next is Toastmaster of the Day with a theme, Do You Know? She again and again reinforced how the world is an awesome place to be with a theme, Do You Know? With so many new questions and answers. Next, we had, and another highlighting thing was she introduced each and every observing role players also. Each and every observing role players with their name and what is their role. Everything has been explained in a detailed manner. Next, we had our word of the day, risible, causing to laugh. That is the meaning. And many of our speakers and most of the role players also used the word risible during in their roles. Thank you, Toastmaster Saida Master, for the same. And the next we had our speakers. We had 4 speakers, and each of the speakers they delivered their speeches with a great message. First speaker, Toastmaster, their evaluators has clearly explained what are the positives and points of improvement to be considered for their next speeches. But with what I have noted down, the messages first is the chocolate speech. I have a habit of eating chocolate after my lunch. Every day from my office, after finishing my lunch, I go to supermarket and buy one chocolate and eat piece by piece. I finish it till evening. I keep that chocolate pieces and finish it by evening. So now I have been thinking of how to stop this habit. Now I got a reason because there is cockroach spot in it. So with that, I will try to stop my that chocolate habit. Next, Toastmaster Chedana, there was an awesome message. Nothing stops for anybody. Life has to go on. And yes, this 2020 is an year of survival. We have to be thankful for the same also. Next is third speaker, Toastmaster Shweta, and I really liked your acting. You enacted, even though it was a toasting session, you enacted it very nicely, and we were able to visualize each and every activities when you explain this with your brother. And the next was Toastmaster Anida, and I really want to thank you, Toastmaster Anida, for your inspirational and a very persuasive speech. And next again, Toastmaster Ian conducted our table topic session, and 3-4 participants they delivered wonderful speeches, and all of them were. I really like the Nassim sandwich technique Then Toastmaster Jisha was so pleasant while giving the speech, even though it is 1 minute or 2 minutes, she was very pleasant. She was smiling throughout. Those were very highlighting one. And the next is the evaluation session. All the evaluators, first Toastmaster Naseem, she has clearly given excellent feedback for CG's speech. And one thing I think she missed out to highlight the camera position, Toastmaster CG's camera, because we have almost an year now, we have been conducting online session, and especially we means the Toastmasters are expert in this online or whatever new techniques coming up. We as a Toastmaster, we are expert into those new innovations. So we have to be very careful in the camera position. I think even my camera position is also not very correct, I feel sometimes, because this is something new laptop and this is not mine also. Next is Toastmaster Prasad. He was very confident while giving the evaluation. He delivered the evaluation in a very confident way, and he has clearly explained the micro and macro nutrients required to be added for the speaker's next speech. And the next is Toastmaster Ram. He has given the evaluation in a very professional way, very nice evaluation. But by the end of the evaluation, he told like, okay, what else I need to say? That is not really required. You just need to continue with your points. So you can just eliminate this. If even if you are stuck up with something, just continue with the evaluation itself instead of adding what else or those filler words basically. Next is the Toastmaster area. We as a New Start Toastmasters, we are really lucky to have you as an evaluator today. Actually, you were evaluating and giving the feedback, and you were showing as an example also. What I liked is the improvement suggestion you have given for Toastmaster Anida is better light on the face. Keep the light on the face. And yes, Toastmaster Arya, your background, and there was clearly visible lights on your face also, and that itself shows you are a really professional photographer. In a professional way, you are using the online platform. Thank you, Toastmaster Arya, for the same. And at the end, again, I would like to thank our timer Ayush and the grammarian, Toastmaster Saida Masrat, and Toastmaster Prabhu for the accounter reports. We all, I hope everyone would be taking care of these suggestions, what each of the speakers, evaluators, or other observing role players has suggested. And let's move on with the full spirit in the next meeting onwards. And we would, along with this, we would like to ensure that our maximum members participation also for all the meetings and also in our WhatsApp group as well. Yeah, with this evaluation, general evaluation session, I would like to hand over to Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Shobha. Thank you.